Krista?
Car stuck in the water. This is like the third or fourth road now that we've been down where it's flooded and the road's been closed, but we are still trying to get to Checkley for the Motorcaravanners Club North West Midlands and North Wales AGM. Oh dear. Not good. I bet that BM driver is not very happy. Oh.
Look at this idiot.
Look, you ain't going to be able to get past there, mate. You dick. Oh dear.
Fucking clever. Always one.
And another. Oh dear. Pets at home got stuck.
Got to turn the music off, otherwise YouTube ban it. Let's give that a bit of distance.
I hope the site we're going to is not flooded. I mean, this is just going to be one mass river if it carries on raining.
Oh, look at this side, look.
I know, yeah. That's just going to come over here and then that's going to be it. Van's going to be absolutely filthy.
It's got in for warrant spare in a few weeks, so we'll get a custom clean.
Before we get our Cinderella toilet.
Yes, we have got a Cinderella coming, as you saw in the show today. We'll tell you all more later.
Well, we have no other option.
I can't turn round.
We can't turn around. We have nowhere to go. We are just gonna have to go pour it. Oh dear God.
Shoot.
Oh, this was not a good idea, was it?
I have to admit, I was nervous for that. That was right up.
Oh, can't afford to get to any more flooded roads.
Oh, that's how many is this? 5, 6?
Yeah, at least. But they seem to be getting worse as we're getting.
No, hang on. The sat nav's obviously gone for the diversion that I can't actually get to. That was deep in the middle. I can tell you that now. That was a lot deeper than what the cars were showing going through it.
Which is why there were signs that warning you that there was a flood and not to go through it. But
I got out first.
But you can't do a 3-point turn on these kind of roads. So
right,
kind of stuck.
Let's find a supermarket and get some beer.